Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lock Chuck. Just recently picked up some of these Brinks padlocks that I think a few people's picked on and kind of got some different feedback to what they believe was in them. So thought I would give it a pick. I haven't picked this one yet, or attempted to pick it yet. So let's see what I can find to fit it. That's too small. Oh, it fits good. Well, let me find a pick. Let's see. Let's try that. Let's see how that does. Alright, put some tension on this one. See if I can find some of my binding. Got a click out of 2. Got a slight movement of the core. Nope, I just had to nudge one and it was open. So got a little bit of a fault set, but I don't feel like I set all the pins either. So okay. I'm gonna go find out if I can gut this thing and find out what's in it. And if I can't, I will come back and show you. Alright, so I'm back. I've got the core out of the body. Let's see what I do with the body. Oh Lord. I think I left it at the Dremel station. But anyway, had to drill this pin out here to get it out of the body. And then I believe this was the pin here that was holding the core because it wouldn't turn more than 90 degrees. I think that was the pin retaining the core, but it still didn't quite feel like it wanted to come out, so I'm gonna just try to shim it and then push it out with a follower if it will come. So we'll find out together. If I can grab this shim does not want to come off this pinning tray. What? All right, here we go. First thing is I gotta get, let's see if this will go in. Oops, moved a little bit then. Okay, shim went all the way in. Now let's see, what's my smallest one here? I think I'm gonna just use this. Try. Alrighty. So there are the pins. Oops. Get back over there. Alright, all the key pins are standard. So there's where followers all the way through. And let's check. Make sure, okay, that's the front. Just making sure. First one is a spool. Second one is a spool. Third one is a standard. They're kind of rounded though. I mean, that makes them really easy to pick. Okay, hardly any spring pressure on these things. So try to dump. Come on. Well, springs want to come out now. Oop, there went a spring. Let me dump the springs out and get them out of the way. Okay. Come on. Alright, that one. 4 is a standard. And 5 is a standard. So there's a little bit of dust from grinding them out. So get everything kind of oriented here. So see if this will turn my other light on. Of course, why do I forget it? All right, so this will focus. So 1 is a spool, 2 is a little itty bitty spool, 3, 4, and 5 are standards. So I'm curious to, I think Lady Locks had mentioned was the springs interacting. So I'm gonna drop the key pin. This is number 3. I'm gonna drop number 3 in and put the driver for number 3 in, and that is close to the shear line, but I think that would block it. Let's check them all. Make sure I didn't. Oops, I put that one in upside down. Make sure I didn't put the other one in upside down too. Let's see. Nope. Nope, still sticking proud. So just blowing the shavings off of that. That one's really proud. Okay. Alright. Spool there, yeah. So the spool will come into play on that one. And this one, alright. So number 1, the spool would not really be, it would be already be above the shear line, so that's kind of a bad placement for the spool there. As you can, let me see, yep, see there, it's already above the shear line there, so that wouldn't, that spool was ineffective. So that one gave me, I believe that when I got a little bit of a false set, I believe it was number 2. So yeah, so they do have spools. So at least this one anyway. This is a sample size of 1. So alrighty, and that was the Brinks. Let's see, I haven't opened this one yet. That was the model, I guess 164-38012. Not sure how much of that is the code, but anyway, so there you go. At least had 2 spools. So alright, thanks for watching.